Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's tutorial will be about your eyebrows. We are going to shape those eyebrows, but I'm going to show you how to pencil in your eyebrows for those persons who want that really nice stenciled look eyebrows, and it can also look a little bit modest for other occasions. Remember, your eyebrows are the frame for your face. Once those eyebrows are popping, best believe it, your entire face is lifted. So I'm going to do my makeup off screen, and then we come back and I'll show you how to get these popping. I'm sorry, I'll show you how to get these popping. Alright guys, so I have done my foundation and my highlights. I did my contour, but I just used powder. I didn't use the foundation or the concealer to do my contour. So now we're getting into business for persons who want to learn how to always get eyebrows. We want to create matchless eyebrows. We want to create those perfect eyebrows. Now, one thing we do need to remember that our eyebrows, they're sisters, they're not twins. When we're using the Milani, it has a spoolie at the end, a brow brush at the end, and then you have the top that you will wind up. Like matte concealer powder. Yeah. That's what I'll be using today. My pencil, and I'm going to be using this brush for blending. I use this brush because I'm not sure, I think it's a Girl Cosmetics concealer brush, but it's very dense. It's packed, it's very dense, so it helps with blending. And I'm going to be using my angled brush from Girl Cosmetics to do the shaping. Just slowly. Now, how do you know where your eyebrows arch? Looking straight ahead, this is where the arch of my eyebrow is, right here. So then that's where I will start to dip up. Go up with my pencil to get my arch. And then I come down. Alright guys, I had to do a voiceover here to explain what I was doing. This is a technique that they use to wax the eyebrows or shape the eyebrows. You start from the side of the nose. That's where the eyebrows would start from, and then to find the arch, you look straight ahead and the eyebrows will arch at the end of your eyeball, and then the eyebrows end at the corner of your eyes. And then we're going to shade it. Some persons, if you want, depending on how thick your brows are, I would sometimes comb down my brows, and then I'm going to start at the top. And I just draw a nice, very thin, faint line up the arch. Remember your arch, and then go. So I'm just filling it. Yeah. You're trying to mimic the hairs that are already there, so you have a nice look, a nice natural look. So even if you're not a makeup artist or never aspire to be a professional makeup artist, but you want to ensure that your makeup looks good, you still have to practice to put on the makeup on your face, because it's not something you've ever done in your life, right? So we are going up, and we just want to blend. We're just blending the hairs and just making sure that the sparse areas are filled in so that the eyebrows can look as thick. And once again, if you have thick eyebrows, you probably don't need to go through this process. And what I will do, I'll use the spoolie and just create the fade at the front of the eyebrow. I'm just fading it in so it looks natural. Fade it up. And I comb it up, and fade that there are no harsh lines. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other brow. So I'm going to show you now how to conceal your brows. I'll be doing one brow on camera, and then I'll come off camera and finish my makeup and then come back on. So we're taking the pencil, the brush with the concealer, and we're just neatening up the brow. So start from the hair, from the front, and we just take it to the back. We're just cleaning up. In with my BH Cosmetic brush. It's the concealer brush. Doesn't have a number. I don't think it have a number. I've had this brush for so. Alright guys, so for the next clip, I have zoomed in closer for you to get a better look at the brows. Yeah. So what this does, it brightens. It automatically brightens the brow. Your brow automatically just brightens, so it highlights the brow. You can use the same color and do the top, or if you want to tone it down a bit depending on the occasion, you can always choose your skin tone concealer or foundation to highlight the top. But since I already have this product on here, and for time, I'm going to just put it on the top. And I'm just mimicking the brow. Just to clean up the area. And then I just go in with my fluffy brush or my dense brush and just blend it up. It's so hot in the tropics. I would just find my foundation or concealer that's my skin tone and clean up my brows, and then I will go back in just to neaten up my brows. And if needs be that you have to go back in with your pencil to ensure that the areas are brightened to your liking, don't think that after you put on the concealer you can't do it. You certainly can. And you can still blend. Yep. Concealer? No concealer. And feel free, if you have questions, you know to just hit the comment section, put your questions below, and I will get right at you with those questions. And remember to subscribe, like, share, you know the routine, you know what's up. And let me know what video you want to see next. Right now I'm just going to finish the whole look and we'll be on. So let me know how you like this video, if it was detailed below, and I will get right back to you. I will put the products that I've used for my entire makeup look in the description box below. As humans, we tend to want to give up, but don't give up. Just keep pressing if it's something that you want to do. Whether you want to do it professionally or just want to do it on yourself. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. I will definitely be doing more videos. I think my lash video will be up next. Alright, so this is the finished look, guys. Popped on the wig for a difference. Let me know how you like it. I'm feeling myself today. I feel like I'll go out for dinner with hubby in the house. I don't know, make a dinner, just sit down and eat and be nice. But let me know. I'm feeling this. Like, I haven't worn this here in 6 months. It's been a minute. I got tired of wigs. I was wearing wigs for almost a year with my journey, but it's very inspirational. It has led me to see Jesus, to seek the Father, and I am just happy. I am happy and overflowing. I am just giving God all the praise, all the praise, all the praise, all the praise. The eyebrows. So this is the finished look on the eyebrows. Yeah. I'm styling my hair like I could become a stylist. I was never interested in making wigs, but I like wigs. I look like wigs. But yeah, remember, like, subscribe, share this video. We need to do this big in 2020. I need as much help as possible. Let me know what other video you'd like to see me put out there. I am here at your disposal. Leave a comment. I will answer. You know, let's just have fun for 2020. Like, ooh, child. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in.